Casa, LA emerged from a particularly collaborative relationship with the client, where thorough communication fostered complete trust in translating their needs into a spatial reality that in defiance of the conventional neighborhood aesthetics. Casa GR intentionally steps back from the setback line, creating a vast open space beneath the canopy of trees, a bold departure from the norm. The entrance journey begins with an open passageway alongside a rugged stone wall, delaying access to the house. A glass-enclosed studio extends from the structure, hovering above a sizable pond crossed by stone pavers, leading directly into the public areas. Concealed behind the stone wall, the garage mandates cars to park sideways, keeping them hidden from view within the house. The entry experience unfolds in layers, from the garden space to the corridor flanking the pond, culminating in the central courtyard that connects to the living areas at the rear of the main building. That a central courtyard design promotes natural ventilation throughout the house while preserving privacy. Ground floor corridors encircling the courtyard feature operable windows, enabling the kitchen and living spaces to merge with the exterior environment when weather permits. Continuing the theme of openness, similar solutions grace the living quarters on the second level, offering private yet open spaces. Glazed atriums ventilate the master bathroom, while recessed balconies provide expansive outdoor areas for each bedroom. Beyond the living spaces, a pool and a concrete structure housing an entertainment room overlook a ravine. Below, a stepped pathway gracefully navigates the terrain down to a lower landscaped area. The material palette, dominated by dark gray steel, glass, wood, concrete, and stone, is accented with touches of leather and stainless steel. The master bathroom stands out with its extensive use of white marble, receiving special attention within the composition.